Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. You can see here with the key fob, I can operate both power sliding doors and the trunk hatch. You can see in back we have a rear entry manual conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch and I flip the clamps that keep the ramp from rattling, take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry, so if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we also sell side entry. We've got full-size vans, even some trucks and SUVs. If you don't see it on our website, talk to us. We probably got it getting ready, or we can find it for you. The 56 inches of room coming inside the van, and you got about 57 inches of room once you're inside the van. Yes, this van is ADA compliant. We have our deep cut, which allows us to carry 2 chairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. We've got upgraded Q-strength tie downs in here. We throw those in at no charge to you. Now beware, a lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to these. We throw them in no charge to you. Make sure you're comparing apples to apples. We can put a third row seat that'll flip up and down in this van if you want to haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. We can even put flip base seats in here, flip up on their sides to make extra room to get a couple wheelchairs in here. Talk to me about your measurements. Tell me how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Headliner looks great. Got your rear air controls. We got our spare tire back there. We got our shoulder harness right there if you need it. Nice clean van. It's got a real nice center console in here. A cup holders for your passengers in the rear as well. Dual climate control, rear air. Got the backup camera. You can sync up your phone. The dash is in great shape on this van. No cracks or holes in the dash. You got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. You can shut all the power doors up top up here, of course. And when it's time to exit the vehicle and simply reverse the process, look, 1 finger. That's all it takes. Clamp it down. And you are ready to roll. I'm going to shut the door right there, do a quick walk around to this van. Got the nice alloy wheels, tinted windows in the rear. It's got 4 new tires on it, so you're good to go there. These rear ones, they're darn near brand new. I shouldn't say brand new, but they're darn near new. And the front ones up here, tons of tread, brand new Toyota tires up front. So to do a walk around to the van, you can see it's very clean. I'm looking hard for little dents or scratches, and as I do that, you hear me talk about all the time how we save you $5 to $10 grand on your wheelchair vans. Yes, please compare us to the competition. How we do it, simple. We're right in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. Allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states, and we have 1 location. I want you to imagine our competitors with 5, 10, 50, 100 locations. I want you to imagine all their overhead compared to our 1 location. So it's simple. They're spending millions of dollars per month more than we are to keep up all those locations. That's how we beat their prices so easily. And no matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number. And why I say that, people are taking pictures of our vans. They're getting on Facebook Marketplace. Folks, Facebook Marketplace is the dirtiest place in the world to buy a vehicle. So beware. But they're taking out, cutting out our sign up there and trying to sell this van for, say, $15,000. They're trying to scam somebody. So ask them. I want a video of the VIN number on the side of the van. No matter who you buy from, get this video of the VIN number. My name is Jeremiah. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I got this van here in my possession. They could not make this video because they'd have to have the van to make that sticker, to do that video right there. They don't have the vans. They're stealing pictures. They're trying to scam. Get that video for your protection. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles, you can see 1 owner has minor damage. I'll show that to you here momentarily. Was once used as a rental vehicle. I like rental vehicles on these wheelchair vans. I'd say stay away from a rental if it's a sports car. You know, probably been driven pretty hard. I don't think too many people say, honey, grab the kids, we're going to rent the Caravan and go out and race it. It just means highway miles. That's a good thing on a van, on any vehicle. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a 1 owner with a clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, does show the minor damage. I'm going to show that to you, and no open recalls. As we scroll down here, shows in June 23, so almost over a year ago, shows minor damage. Minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. I'm not afraid to buy a vehicle that's had a bumper painted or a little door ding or backed up in a parking lot. That's no big deal. No frame damage, clean title, airbags have never gone off. And we can also check the manufacturer warranty, shows the vehicle went into service November 26 of 2019. So it meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Dodge until November 26, 2024, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. No matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reputation and reviews. Look at us on eBay, 1,570 transactions, 100% positive feedback. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. No matter who you do business with, find them on Google, make sure they are a real company. Check us out here on Google, 4.8 out of 5-star reviews, 327 reviews, a long list of positive things said about us. I hear stories all the time about people buying from private individuals, someone they know nothing about, or these low-end dealers with 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews here. They end up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, there are people selling stolen vehicles out there. They end up buying a vehicle with a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage, major mechanical issues. Hey, if you want a 1 and 2 and 3-star experience, you go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years now, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. It's got the one key fob here. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we can sure do so. You can see it's got the remote start. Great feature to have, whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van this time of year, or it's winter time and you want to come out to a nice van ready to go, defrost the windows, you've got that option too. Inside the van, we got the leather seats with this cloth insert in the middle. It's got the power driver's seat, works great. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. If you ever want to use the doors for manual doors, going to use this for commercially, hit the off button, doors open and shut quickly. Time is money, as you all know. Back seats are also in great condition. Just a little different view of the layout for those of you that might not be real familiar with these vans and how the setup is. And once you get inside the van, you go to turn it on officially with the key. You can see all the dummy lights work and they all go out, so there's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. 54,179 miles on this van. Got your backup camera there, great safety feature, and I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power, mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you the mirrors and windows moving now, which has the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, tires. Take these on a road test, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, I'm even going to show you the vents back there. We do not just run these through the car wash like most dealers and throw them on the lot and let you worry about the problems. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, I got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any water damage from being in a flood, no signs of any fluid leaks or anything like that, and no signs of any rust from being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's 2019 and it's got pretty low miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, I got news for you. I see cars every week at auction that are brand new vehicles that have flood damage. People are trying to pawn them off on somebody. But brand new vehicles can have flood damage. Imagine what can happen to used vehicles. So my point is, don't assume things. And what I want you to go do, go check out the competition. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's another dealer. Ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? And do they get underneath the vehicle, they crawl down on their hands and knees, and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see no signs of bent metal from an accident, no signs of a flood. They get on the roof and do pictures and videos of the roof, so you can see no hail damage, no holes drilled in the roof from being a taxi previously. You know how many vehicles I see at auction that the roofs are just trashed, and that's because nobody looks at the roofs. They sell it. Looks great, doesn't it? If you can't see the roof, because nobody looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So tell me what happens if you end up buying a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shiesty individual, or you end up buying a van that's got frame damage from an accident or a flood, and it won't even pass inspection in your state. Well, in both of those cases and in many more, you just bought a van you can't title. Congratulations, you just bought a 4,000-pound paperweight. So to avoid those problems and so many more, do 4 things. Before you buy from anybody, demand a detailed video, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a $20 handbag off eBay. You're buying a very expensive purchase here. Make sure it's exactly what you're expecting. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month but I pay that money because they have the most thorough vehicle inspection for the VIN number. So I demand the best. You should too, especially on a major purchase like this. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out the reputation and reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Do your due diligence. And then finally, demand a warranty. As I mentioned, our van meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Dodge. All of our vehicles come with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home, you know we've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Runs and drives darn like a brand new Caravan down the highway. Very nice, very clean van. Do keep in mind it meets the specs to be under the powertrain warranty from Dodge. We also sell extended warranties that are factory type warranties that go anywhere from 3 months all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online, what they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all their fees and by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. So keep those facts in mind when you're out car shopping. Nice hard brake, you're gonna see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, exactly what we're looking for. Now, if you'd like to give us a call or preferably a text, if you send us a text, anyone in our shop can respond right away, but call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to reach out to, call or text me. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person, that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. And yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We'll be happy to call you and take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Call me, text me. I can explain how that works. And if you've made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but like I said earlier, this is a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as possible so you know exactly what you're getting. And if you would like to come in to visit us, we welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. We've got 3 different locations we keep vans at, so I need to find out what van or vans you're wanting to look at, get it to the proper location, and save you and us both time. So please make that appointment. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos like this of every vehicle, dozens of pictures of every vehicle, free Carfax reports, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at mobility316.com, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.